The majority of the support columns in the crawl space here have been heavily shimmed, which is somewhat unconventional. It suggests, either they didn't cut these right initially, or there's been some intermediate settling that they've since shimmed. It's likely the former, in other words, that they didn't cut these right, and so they just did a bunch of shimming because they cut these in the field. Although, if you look at that concrete pad, it might have settled a little bit. So, if this is of concern to you, I'd recommend that this be further evaluated. At a minimum, I would recommend, although not required when the house was originally constructed, metal post-to-base support hardware. That's going to secure this post to the concrete base, which will help with the seismic, if we ever have a seismic event. Again, that's not required and isn't something I would request. I think it's unreasonable to request out of the sellers because it wasn't required in '95 when the house was built. That said, this heavy shimming, which is somewhat unconventional, to be honest, I am recommending be further evaluated and repaired if deemed necessary.